Okay, so in this video, let's check whether it's a small dump and there's no more dump ahead of us. And at last, let's get into crypto charts and let's see when can this Bitcoin pump next. Okay, and at last, let's check into the crypto news. Okay, so right now for the crypto bubble, we see that ADA is pumped on a monthly. Okay, let's go on a weekly and see. Okay, so on a weekly, we see in ING, Woo. Okay, Render, Solana, ADA also, then DYDX, Atom also, will put that into the crypto trends. And at last, let's see what is there. TWT. Okay, so that's nothing there too. Okay, so on a daily, everything is going down, right? Kylan also is down. Okay, so now let's go straight into the BTC chart. Okay, and at last, let's see the trends also of the. Okay, so for the Bitcoin trend right now. Okay, so right now you can see. Okay, so right now BTC just, if we see right here, BTC just BTC just hitting this resistance, right? It's just hitting this key resistance, this white line right here. So right now we have to just wait. Okay, so if you want to wait, you can wait because this candle is going to come here and BTC is going to come back here, you can see, to this resistance line. And from here, you can see on the safer side, you can start selling all your other alts, okay? Because we are going all the way to the here, okay? And you can say we are going to dangle here for around, you can say 2 to 3 months. Not 2 to 3 months, you can say 1 or 2 weeks will be right at this range, okay? So you can say that. So once I'll be selling by all for sure once BTC come back to this range, okay? Remember that. At around, you can say anyway 30k BTC, and everybody will think that it's going to go up after this, but we know that it's going to come all the way to this range, okay? So we can say BTC is going to come to 29,560 range, okay? So we need to see that. We know that BTC is going to come here. Okay, so we are the smart guys. We know that BTC is going to come here. So just need to wait. And the bullish part from here, the very bullish will be right now. It's over here, right? The bearish will be, it'll come here to 29,550. That's the bearish. The very bullish part will be from here, right? Most of people will think that it's going to go up, okay? But this is what I think. That's the very bullish part, and it's all going to this range around $32,000, okay? But the bearish will be, it's coming here and it's going to be around 2 to 3 weeks. But if it breaks this key support around 29,000, we are all the way going to this support, okay? 28,000, okay? Then we are kind of we are going to be there for 1 month, okay? So we need to see that also, we need to know, okay? But more likely it's just going to touch and it's going to come back here to this key support, okay? So we need to keep our eyes on that, okay? So now let's check into the Ethereum chart. Okay, so for each chart right now, okay, so for each chart you can see this key support, right? This key support, right? It's just supporting that, it's just supporting that support, right? So right now what ETH is going to do, it's going to come, it's, if BTC drops to that range, it's also going to come here at around 2000 2030 BTC, okay? So it's going to come there. The bullish side will be it comes here, bounces and goes, but more likely when it breaks this, right, this trend, you can see more likely when it breaks that trend, it's going to come down, then it's going to break this, and now it's going to come here, okay? That's the bullish side is it bounces this and now the next candle it goes up, okay? So that's your bullish part, and it goes all the way to 2362, okay? So remember, if BTC breaks this range, right, you know that if BTC breaks this, if BTC is not breaks, but if BTC comes here to around 29,500 there, even it's coming, it's going all the way there, okay, to that range, wherever it to this range, to around 2023 1 ETH, okay? For the very bullish case will be it will bounce and it will go all the way to 2362. Okay, so you need to keep in mind. Okay, so next chart, let's go to your avax chart. Okay, so for avax chart right now would be a good take profit entry anywhere here, 21,000, 20, 21,000 there, anywhere you can take profits over here, right here. Okay, so and right now for your bearish part, right now it's bullish, right? The bearish part BTC is going to reach there. It'll come here, and then it'll go all the way here. You can see here it will come back. Okay, so it'll come to $90 beat $90 AVAX, and you can see it will range here only till Bitcoin ranges also for 1-2 weeks. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, so just range here only. Okay, so that's for your bullish, and now you need to take profits for your AVAX. Now let's check it to the next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for your Solana chart right now, okay, so Solana is here, right? So if yesterday it kept that support, it's not dropping. So right now you can say that it's going to come till here, till this. You can say till here. Let's put it green. Okay, because bullish. It's going to be here, only it's going to dangle. Then it may come here back again. You can say here at around. It'll come here. Maybe it'll give a fake and it'll come here. Okay, but more likely BTC goes to that $28, 28,000 range, right? It'll just dangle here. From here it'll go for the very bullish side. Let's talk about the very bullish side first. Okay, so for the very bullish side, Solana right now will break, makes their support, and then we are off the way up. Okay, that's the very bullish side. Okay, but for the bearish side right now would be Solana comes here to this range, that's a fake, and then comes here only back. Then we dangle here for 2-3 weeks and then it breaks. Okay, so that's for a Solana entry, your long and your bullish side. So now let's check on your dot chart. Okay, so for a dot, so dot right now is at this range. It's just supporting this key. It's just supporting this key trend line, you can see, right? So it's just supporting that. So for dot right now, dot needs to hold this support around $6.50. But if BTC breaks, you know that it's going to break this and it's going to go all the way till this range around $6.50. Okay, so we need to keep an eye on when dot reaches here, and most likely it can dangle again here, or if it breaks this one it can go down, or doesn't break it can break up. Okay, so that's it what dot can do. Okay, so bullish and bearish. So right now we need to keep an eye on BTC. We need to see that. Okay, so then let's see to the next chart. Okay, so the next chart is Cardano. Okay, so for a Cardano chart it's pretty simple. It's right here. It didn't do as yesterday's thing. So right now Cardano, it breaks this key support. We are going all the way to 42,000, and even BTC comes here to 28, right? 28,500. This one comes to $0.42. And for the very bullish side, it breaks this key resistance. Right now it goes, bounces here. It breaks this, which is your very bullish side. It breaks this key resistance line right here. And then we are going off. Okay, we're going off, we're going up. Okay, so that's for your very bullish and your position, right? Small bearish. It needs to be small bearish, then again we are going to break. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that we need bearish. You don't need to go all the way up, then it will be a very massive downtrend from there. So now let's talk about the next chart, which is your Algorand chart. Okay, so for Algorand chart you can see, right, Algorand right now, wait, I'll just show you. Algorand right now it's not doing anything. So it broke that key. Okay, it didn't actually break, but it's right here. You can see, right, yeah, you can see it broke. Okay, right now anyway retest around, you can say, this trend line, and it most probably it will do this. Okay, see what I'll tell you what it will do. Okay, so if you see here, it will just wait here only. Okay, and then maybe right now, see if it broke this, right, it'll come to retest. It'll come to retest, or it will go back again to here wherever and dangle, or right now it will break and it will go right here. Okay, to this key support. Okay, if it breaks that, we are going here, and if it breaks that, we are going all the way to this support. So you can say that right now algo run, right now algo run, you don't need to take a shot, but see, right now algo run is here, right? So we wait for the second. This is the trend we make. We wait for the second. We wait for the second touch. Okay, so we wait for the second touch of the shot to take here, and then we can take a small shot, but don't take short because it's mostly bullish. So we just need to wait and relax for BTC to break that again, that range. Okay, so right now you can say it will just dangle here only. Okay, but if you're taking a shot, you take it when it touches back to this trend line anywhere here at around 0. You can say 23 cents. There you can take a small shot if you're taking, and you can ride it away to, you can say here. Okay, to here, this position around, around, you can say 0.22 cents. Okay, but we just need to wait and watch because algo didn't break also this trend line. Okay, so now let's see into the next chart. The bullish, right? From here it breaks and it goes up. Okay, once it breaks this, now your long entries, I'll just put that into orange. Okay, so that once it breaks this 0.23, we need to put our long entries because it's going to go all the way to here 0.28 cents. Okay, once it breaks this one. Okay, so now let's go into the next chart, which is a near chart. Okay, so for a near also, near is going all the way to this one. Okay, $2.20. Okay, so near is going there. BTC breaks, goes till that $28 range, 28,500 range. Near is going here. Okay, so that's because see, near is also breaking this key support also here. You can see breaking this one, so it's going all the way to here. Okay, and for a long, right, it, you can see this trend line, it breaks, this, it breaks that trend, and it goes up for here. Okay, it makes support and it goes fast, quick support, and that goes. Okay, not going to wait, like, okay, that's for a long entry. If it keeps this support, which more probably BTC goes to 28,000 range, 28,500, it's going here. Okay, so that's for your deer chart. Now let's check it your next phantom chart. Okay, so phantom also, so phantom was all here. Okay, so if you're entering your longs, wait, phantom is kind of weird, like just broke. Okay, so for a phantom chart, kind of showing, it's not showing bearish, but it's bullish because it broke this, right? So right now we'll have to wait and see if it keeps going here, BTC keeps ranging, it may break from here only. Okay, so phantom we need to see phantom because it can go till here and break. Okay, so for phantom we need to wait on that and check, because even if BTC is bearish, at the most it will come till here, you can see till here. Okay, at the most if phantom will come because there's strong buying, just it didn't even break the trend, so all the way going up. Okay, at the most you can say it will come to 0.52 cents phantom, then it will go up. Okay, so phantom also we need to check. Now let's check into the crypto trends for this 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so we see render breaking out, then I just kept it over here in crypto trends. Okay, so we know that phantom reaches at this range at 0.50%, it's more probably going to go up. Now then let which one we took. I see in atom, right? Here, see atom. Where's atom? Is Atom, man? Okay, Atom was here somewhere. I just checked. Okay, it was there. Atom was there. Now let's talk about Atom. Okay, so right now Atom is from. Okay, okay. So Atom is going up. So we need Atom, right? So Atom needs to break this on a daily, right? Atom needs to break this. Atom needs to break this key resistance around $14.36. Okay, so once it breaks that, we need to enter big longs. Okay, on Atom also, but it didn't break. Let it break this $14, then we need to enter big longs. Okay, so Atom is not become yet. Okay, ADA and all those guys are become. So BTC is on a short-term trend, you can say downwards. We need to attack ADA, Phantom, all those guys. Okay, CHZ also. So CHZ, once CHZ breaks this, once CHZ breaks this 0.15 cents. Okay, this is on a daily. We need to see at CHZ also and put a big long entry, then you can go all the way to your 127 cents. Okay, so now, okay, so the trends, so more likely will be, so if you see that if you were there on the render one yesterday's, on the render one, okay, so we just need BTC just to have that the small upwards, then we start selling. Okay, we start selling all these ones. You can sell this one here, or you can sell render if you're there, the render trade. It'll give one more candle. I'll show you. It'll give one more candle here, or it'll give a small candle here, or you can say, then you sell anyway there, because BTC is going to trend little bit upwards, and then we are going down to that 20,000. So it'll be here, then we can sell it here only. Okay, okay, then the next one you can say is, see, IMX also. IMX is going to be short term small trend. Okay, so right now it's retesting over here also. If you're not out on your IMX also now, just wait for a small retest, right here, then you can sell it. Okay, here, don't forget, sell it here. Anyway, here you can sell if you didn't sell it. Okay, so then let's see render. Remember, we have to attack back again into render, then near also, then even this one you can sell it over here once it goes. Okay, yeah, anyway, if BTC goes to the 28,500 range, yeah, near also is going here. So rune also you need to keep an eye on. Then which one else is there? Woo also we need to keep an eye. Okay, so Woo is hitting the support, and you can see it'll come back again. It'll come. Woo also, Woo, you are there on the Woo trade. Okay, so here you can see come here, we need to sell again here only of Woo trade also. Okay, now we need to start selling small cells, not that big cells. We need to buy back again when BTC reaches to, when BTC reaches here, right? When BTC comes back again, let me tell you properly, you will not understand why I'm selling. Okay, see, right now BTC is just panicking everyone. Okay, right now it will panic everyone. It will just, when it reaches to 30,000 range, you need to sell all our spots. Okay, and wait till BTC reaches to here 29,000 range, because from here 2 weeks it will take to reach here. All the altcoins are going to get smashed again, so you need to keep an eye on that. Okay, so now let's get into straight to your crypto news. Okay, so the first one. Okay, so the first one, Hong Kong confirms crypto commitment at Web3 conference. Okay, so Hong Kong right now, they want to be a Web3 hub. They want to be a crypto hub. So everyone comes to Hong Kong only, right? So they're going to attract all the Web3 startups. They're building everything like the infrastructure for the Web3 developers, for the startups to be easy for them to start a Web3 company. And many Hong Kong people are starting a Web3 startup in Hong Kong because it's becoming easy over there in Hong Kong. And they also plan this also. They plan to regulate DeFi, which is, you can't regulate DeFi, right? But they're planning to regulate DeFi. Okay, so we don't know how they're going to regulate. So let's check on that. Okay, so the next news let's check on is the popular tea shop boba. Okay, so the popular retail tea shop boba guys taps Solana for on-chain loyalty reward. Okay, So as we know that Starbucks, they've created their royalty, right? So this boba people, they've seen that this royalty thing is kind of good, and it's increasing the customers for that for the one, right? So right now what they're doing, right now Starbucks is having a good customer there's a good popularity of that. So these also boba people have partnered with Solana, okay? So right now they for the web they are going to use web3 to reward the customers while they buy a drink, and they're going to build even a community, right, while doing the web3. So right now, while partnering with Solana has given them 100K for their support for the company's web3 growth, okay? So they have given them 100K $1,000 for their web3 this. So that's it for the Solana news. Now let's talk about your next news, which is this one, okay? So right now, CTC claims crypto assets are commodities in lawsuit against 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀𝘀 bank investment. Okay, so they're saying that it's a commodity, and they are filing against lawsuit against the bankers, right? Which is kind of a bearish news, but it gets sorted out. Okay, so there's nothing that much to know about this thing. So the next one, okay, so new NFT New York conference, right? NFT New York conference, play to earn is not dead, but game publishers are looking for alternatives, okay? So as you know, the game developers, they think that the play to earn, right? Sum, the play to earn is kind of, it's a zero sum game, because it's most everybody sees it as a Ponzi, right? So the game developers who made their play to earn, P2E, they're saying everybody sees it as Ponzi, and in a bear run, right? It's it doesn't work. The business model doesn't work. So they are shifting. They are exploring another alternative. So right now the alternative that they're shifting is play fun, and which is sustainable, right? So that thing they are checking. The P2E, they're going to uh, change to play fun, and it's sustainable for everyone, for the business to grow. So that's what the game they're trying to earn. So now it won't be P2E. It's going to be play fun, and it's going to be sustainable, right? So the next one is this one, okay? So 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀, which is a miner in US, boost mining capacity with new machinery worth 140 million. Okay, so they have bought 140 million worth of ant miner 𝗧19XP BTC. Okay, they bought this mining for the crypto halving, which is going to happen in spring 2024. Okay, so they purchased all this Bitcoin mining, so that so we know exactly that Bitcoin's price is going to shoot up, right? So that's for crypto news. If you like live stream like this, just give it a like, hit that subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss live stream like this and you're early to watch. Peace out, crypto fam.